Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. As per new examination pattern where the number of questions will be 200 instead of 300 and total marks would be 800 instead of 1200. So accordingly you have to set your target to get a DNB seat in good government, a good hospital. So in this particular video I have covered how much score you need to have branch wise to get DNB in good hospital. Okay, I will. So talking about the fee structure first, the fee structure is 1.25 lakhs, that is fixed for any branch, any hospital, and the stipend amount you will be getting around 37,000 on average. It won't be lesser than 37,000. In some of the states, depending on that their base stipend amount, it can go up to 1 lakhs, like New Delhi, Haryana, and these states the stipend amount is high, whereas in South India the stipend is less. Bond, few hospitals only, district hospitals, they have bond, and when the DNB counseling will start, I will be telling you which are the hospitals where there is a bond, service bond. Okay, so don't worry much about service bond. It's in very few hospitals, only district hospitals. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, you can subscribe it. You can call us to the number given on screen 9319128677 to avail our paid services. Our paid services available for DNB course, DNB counseling, all India quota counseling, state level counseling for remaining 50% government seats and private colleges, deemed counseling, the new course that is going to get launched from this year, 2 years DNB diploma, and FCPS CPS for all the courses where you can get admission into through this NEET PG examination. We provide the counseling services for all those courses. So starting from the video, since your examination pattern is changed, the marks, total number of marks is changed. So wherever you have joined, wherever you are studying, okay, they will change the question pattern for your GT, and accordingly you should have a target in mind how much you should score in order to get DNB in good hospital. So talking it branch wise, the first one is radiology. I have given the cutoff rank, but the cutoff rank won't play big role as of now. After you have written the exam and result is out, then the cutoff rank is very important. Now you just focus on the cutoff score. For radiology, the cutoff score is going to be between 480 to 500. If you score between these two, you will definitely get radio diagnosis DNB seat. Dermatology, number of seat is less, that's why the cutoff will go high, between 500 to 505. For general medicine, it is going to be between 440 to 450. For pediatrics, it will be 430 to 435. For obsgyne, 410 to 415. For TB and chest, the cutoff would be between 435 to 440. For orthopedics, is around 410 to 415. For general surgery, is 413 to 417. For ophthalmology, 390 to 403. For ENT is 394 to 400. Anesthesia, you need to score between 390 to 397. Psychiatry medicine, you need to have a score between 416 to 420. And for radiotherapy, you need to have a score between 384 to 393. Emergency medicine, if you have a score of 403 to 410, you can get hospital. Nuclear medicine, the cutoff would be bit higher as the number of seat is less. It is between 450 to 460. Pathology, you can get in 415 marks up to 415 to 420 you should target if you are even having a pathology an option. Family medicine, you can get in 400 to 405 marks. Plastic surgery, neurosurgery, and cardiac surgery, these are the courses that gets completed in 6 years, and you get super specialization DNB degree. The cutoff score for plastic surgery is going to be between 413 to 423. Neurosurgery is 425 to 434. and for cardio surgery is 410 to 420. I have covered for all the clinical branches, and for non-clinical is not much required. Okay, so that's because that's last option. So if you want any kind of assistance from us regarding anything related to counseling and application form, you have any kind of doubt, get it clarified, because we have so much time, there is no need to hurry. You will get correction window also, correction window for document uploadation, but there are few details you won't be able to change. Test CT, your test CT center, your name, email ID, and all those details you won't be able to edit. So be careful, get the first all the things ready which is required. I have explained in separate video, and then only go for form filling. So thanks for watching guys, and have a nice day, and all the best for your preparation. Goodbye.